Propagating crops is a crucial aspect of agriculture and horticulture that involves spreading and cultivating plants for various purposes. Hello my people, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, consider subscribing, hit the bell button. Today we are going to be talking about the propagating of our crops in the garden. What are the benefits which you are going to get from doing this method? And I'm sure it is 95% on some farmers, on the side of the farmers who carry out propagation. So without wasting time, let's dive into that one. Genetic diversity. Propagation helps to maintain genetics diversity with crops, which is vital for resilience to diseases, pests, and changing environment conditions. Once you practice this genetic diversity, which means that you have to maintain the genetics of different crops that are being propagated in the same piece of land where you are carrying out this cultivation. There is increased production. By propagating crops, farmers can increase the number of plants, leading to higher yields and more efficient use of land. With this method, it will also help you to get more number of plants, and this leads to high yields because there is what we call binding of different species of plants, and this brings in the number of plants and high yields, which makes it more efficient to land. And if you're a farmer, you carry out this process, it helps you to gain more yields because you have applied the good method that can help you to have more yields on your garden. Cost efficiency. Propagation can reduce the cost associated with purchasing seeds or seedlings from external sources. Farmers can propagate their best varieties, ensuring quality and reducing the expense, which can lead them to buy other seeds that they can plant in their gardens. With cost efficiency will help you not to buy seeds, and remember that some people can sell fake seeds that needs you to select them because some are fake. But if you have your own seeds and you are managing them well, you are taking care of your seeds, then there's no need of getting those seeds from the suppliers, people who are supplying you with seeds. If you have them, then it's better for you to plan for them and grow them well. Disease resistance. Through selecting and propagating disease-resistant varieties can help to minimize crop loss and improve overall productivity in your process of propagating. What brings in this one is that you have selected the right seeds and right time for you to plant these crops, and this will help you to avoid pests and diseases which can attack them. You have to know where these seeds, you have to know the seeds which can be attacked by pests and diseases, so you have to select them according to their performance, how they perform when they grow or when they are still in the soil. So this will help you to overcome such problems when it comes to maintaining them in good condition. Colonal propagations. With colonal propagation, some crops benefits from colonal propagation, like potatoes, grapes, and certain fruit trees, where genetically identical plants are produced. Propagation helps to have different genetics of breeds that you have combined to come out with one breed that you need. But this is commonly practiced in fruits. We have found that these fruits do well when it comes to colonal propagation. That's why you are seeing varieties of fruits these days, they are big. I mean, they are big because of this propagation. They combine different breeds to come out with one nice breed that can qualify with the standards of the market that is being placed on the market. So that's why these local fruits are no longer common in some areas. People are focusing on this exotic breed because there is application of propagation. There is soil health management. Soil health management is where we find crop rotation. Crop rotation is the growing of different crops on the same piece of land. Through practicing the crop rotation while carrying out propagation, you'll find there is what we call good soil management. Your soil will have what we call all nutrients that are needed for it to be fertile. This method helps you to have a fertile soil that can boost the yields and even bring in what we call nice looking plant that can have the energy to produce those yields that you need from them, and also bringing in good breeds that you have planned for your crops when it comes to propagating of your crops in the garden. Education and research. Crops propagation provide essential opportunities for education and research in plant genetics, breeding, and various agricultural practices. This process will help you to make more research about your crops that you are propagating, and to also help you to select the seeds or the breed that you need to plant or to propagate together, so that you come out with a better quality when it comes to education and research. Where we also have the sustainability. By encouraging the use of local seeds and plants, propagation contributes to sustainable agricultural practices, reducing the dependence of commercial seeds suppliers and promoting biodiversity. This will be sustainable because there is no need of suppliers to come and supply with you the seeds that you need to plant. You'll be making this alone, and it will help you to have your own seeds through doing the process of this propagating your plants. You have season adaptations. Through propagating your crops, there is the capacity of allowing you to harvest in time and even plan for your crops. You know the type of fertilizer that you have to use, either chemical or organic manure that you have to use in your garden. This will help you to have good yields in your garden, and also to help you to manage well the process of these crops, how they are growing, and how long does it take for them to be ready to harvest from the given garden where you planted them or where you have carried out this process of propagating. Is integral to sustainable agriculture and food security, enhancing productivity, preserving biodiversity, and supporting ecological health in a community. That is the end of our video, and if you have enjoyed the video, like, share, and comment. And I wish you the best, guys. Have a perfect day. Let's meet next time. Don't forget to watch these videos here. There are also the amazing videos that I did for you guys, so let's also watch these videos. Have a perfect day. Bye bye.